All right, we're gonna try this again. Hello, good morning. Hope Savara here with Mother Trucker Yoga inside the Accelerate Your Health with Mother Trucker Yoga Facebook group. It is Trucker Appreciation Week, and we're giving you a little brain break this week. So myself and Julie Dillon are going to be sharing some simple strategies because you know at Mother Trucker Yoga, our whole premise and our whole mission is small, simple changes to lead to the big results so that you can feel good again. And this week is all about brain breaks because you're stressed out, you're worn out, you're burnt out, and it's hard, right? And you're looking for some relief so that you can keep doing what you need to do. Every single day this week, we are going to be coming to you live at 9 a.m. Central, sharing some strategies that you can easily implement into your day so that you can feel your best. And I am using my phone here this morning because I forgot my computer and I'm not in my office, as you can tell. But we're going to see if we can get Julie on to share with us this morning and see if she can see the invite that I had sent before I went live. So we'll see what we can do here. But today is Movement Monday, and I want to share with you a couple of things, or maybe a couple of reasons why movement is so essential. For many of you, you know that I have my past is addiction and depression and anxiety and a lot of mental health struggles, and that can be super overwhelming. That can be super difficult to be able to keep on moving forward despite your challenges, and yoga played a big role in that. Yoga played a big role in helping me feel my best to be able to move forward and helping me make the necessary changes in order to live the life that I want to live. And now that I'm working with all of you in the trucking world, I get to share all of those strategies and techniques and solutions that I've learned along the way so that you can keep doing what you need to do and live your best life possible. And so, hey Julie, so when I went live, it asks me to invite somebody, and so when you actively watch, so you gotta kind of like click on the video so that you're actively watching it, it's supposed to invite you. So I have to apologize, you guys. I forgot all of my stuff. I'm at an event here in Milwaukee, and so I'm not in my home office, and I got here and I forgot everything. My whole bag, all my computer, everything. So we're a little disheveled today, but we're gonna make it work. So if we can't get Julie on here, she will be on with us tomorrow, and we will be a duo here making magic happen. And so today we're talking about movement and how movement plays a role in your mental health and in your mental wellness. I always feel weird using the word mental health because I feel like there's such a stigma around that, and I like to look at it more like mental wellness, because when you are mentally well, you can be on your best. And so I want to share with you a few movement strategies that you can easily implement immediately into your day to help you feel your best. And so the first one is called Super Brain Yoga. And so if you are struggling with any type of mental wellness, maybe before I show you the Super Brain Yoga technique, Harvard Health did a study a while back on the benefit of yoga for your mental well-being. And I'm not talking about like standing on your head for 20 minutes or doing complicated poses. No, this is just like all the aspects of yoga, bringing them into your life in different capacities in different ways. They found that yoga, regularly practiced in any way, shape, or form, increases the amount of brain cell activation in your brain. It develops new connections, and new structures actually develop in your brain when practicing yoga. You notice new and improved cognitive skills. Your learning and memory improves. There's a reduction in Alzheimer's symptoms, but also the onset. Your awareness, your thought, and your perception, and your language also improves when you implement yoga into your life. And so I know those are all things that you might be thinking, well, that doesn't affect me right now, so why should I care? These are all the things that all of a sudden they aren't there, and we don't know how to get them back. So I want to share with you a super technique. I have 3 things I'm going to share with you today. The first is what we call super brain yoga. And this is a super easy technique that you can do anywhere to help increase brain function, to help improve and increase gray matter in the brain. It's going to help you balance right and left brain, and it's going to help you feel more focused, more calm, and again, just help you be your best. So super easy to do, okay? So I'm sitting right now. I'm gonna shift back a little bit. So you're gonna take your left hand, okay? So it's gonna be opposite here because it's gonna look like I'm doing my right. So you're gonna take your left hand. I'll move my hair. You're gonna take your left hand and you're gonna bring it over to your right earlobe. Now look at how I flipped my hand, because my thumb is going to go onto the front of my earlobe and my pointer finger is going to go on the back, and I'm going to squeeze. This is an acupressure point for the brain stimulation. You're going to take your right arm, so my right arm is on top of my left arm. Do the same thing. You have to flip your hand, grab your earlobe, and then squeeze, and you're going to squeeze that, okay? You're going to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And you're going to do that 10 times. Now, if you want to take this a step further, which I highly encourage you to do, you're just going to do the best that you can. You're going to do that same thing. So always left hand first, then right. Then you're going to stand up. I'm going to move my chair here. And you're going to squat down as low as you can go. Take a breath in and a breath out. And then come back up again. And then again, squat down. Take a breath in and a breath out. And come back up again. And you're going to do that 10 times. Now you might be thinking, Hope, that is the silliest thing I have ever seen on the planet. Well, sometimes silly is some of the most effective. And so that's called the super brain yoga technique. And I'll write a little description afterwards, but you're going to do that every single morning when you wake up 10 times. So it's left hand to right ear, flip so the thumb is on the front. Right to left, flip so the thumb is on the front. Take a nice deep breath in and a nice deep breath out, and you're going to squat down and rise back up about 10 times. And in doing that, we sync the right brain and left brain, which helps with coordination, balance, creativity, logical thinking, all that jazz. Increases gray matter in the brain, stimulates thinking, increases concentration, reduces stress, can help with things like mild depression, ADHD, decreased symptoms of Alzheimer's, dyslexia. If you have dyslexia, it can help create focus and better concentration for the brain if you have things like that. So super easy technique. It's called super brain yoga. But if you want a couple of other techniques here, it's Monday's movement. The second thing I want you to think about is getting your head below your heart. Anytime we get our head below our heart, we reduce stress, we reduce anxiety, we increase blood flow to the heart, and we can help you with sleep. And so that can be something as simple as doing a simple forward bend. Just coming down and just hanging your body, even just hanging your body in a standing forward bend. You can do something as simple as a half down dog. So I'm on a chair, and all I'm going to do is drop my head below my heart. And so anytime I get my head below my heart, heck, you can hang your head off the sleeper edge and stretch your neck and let your head hang down, let blood flow come to your head, which is not only great for your brain stimulation, but it's also great for your facial muscles. It's great for elasticity in the skin, blood flow back to the face, can help reduce signs of aging. And so lots of benefits to a mild inversion, that's what it is getting your head below the heart. And then finally, the third thing is a seated forward bend. So a seated forward bend is you sitting. Okay, I'm actually going to go onto the floor. I know, I can't believe that, right? I'm in a public place, but we're gonna make this work here. And so let's see if I can do this. Okay. Extending your legs out, even if your knees are bent, and just coming forward and resting your body forward. I don't care how pretty it is. I don't care where you are. If you have to bend your knees up like this and come forward because you don't have a lot of space, whatever that is, a seated forward bend has been proven proven to reduce and help control things like depression and anxiety. It's an instant stress relief, and if you struggle falling asleep, a seated forward bend is a great way to help you fall asleep faster, help your nervous system relax down. So we want to get out of that sympathetic nervous system and into the parasympathetic, which helps you rest and digest, helps you feel better. And so these are 3 things that you can do anytime, anyway, to help you give your brain that much needed break. So we have the super brain yoga technique with the squat. We have inversions, getting your head below your heart. And then we have that seated forward bend to help you rest and digest so that you can feel good no matter where you are. Now, here's the deal. You have to implement these things into your lives. So today, I challenge you, find 2 minutes, that's all it's going to take, to implement one of these strategies into your day, just one. And do it diligently, do it with purpose, be all in mentally so that you can start to benefit from this much needed brain break. All right, don't forget tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., we're going to be sharing more great strategies that you can implement into your day to help your brain get a break. And Julie and I will be on tomorrow morning so that we can continue to encourage you to be your best. All right, everybody, we'll see you soon and have a great Monday and happy Trucker Appreciation Week. Peace out.